Most energy-efficient water heaters aren't as efficient as they claim. Some struggle to keep up with demand, while others waste power behind the scenes. That's why we tested a range of smart hybrid water heaters to find the few that actually balance efficiency with reliable performance. Don't miss our #1 pick. It delivered powerful heating while using far less energy than the rest. So, without any delay, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the Rinnai REHP-50, a highly efficient hybrid water heater designed for modern, energy-conscious homes. This unit uses heat pump technology, pulling warmth from surrounding air and transferring it into the water. That means significantly lower energy consumption compared to traditional electric heaters. It features a uniform energy factor of around 3.75, which places it among high-efficiency systems capable of reducing long-term utility costs. Another strong advantage is its multiple operating modes, allowing you to balance performance and energy savings depending on your household demand. The 50-gallon capacity and strong first-hour rating make it suitable for families with moderate hot water usage. It's also designed with quiet operation and flexible installation, making it practical for indoor setups. However, compared to higher-ranked options, it may lack advanced smart connectivity features or larger capacity options. Still, if you want a reliable hybrid water heater with excellent efficiency and proven performance, the Rinnai REHP-50 is a solid starting choice. Coming in at number 4 is the KINGRVER RV Hybrid Water Heater, designed specifically for compact spaces and mobile setups. This unit combines electric heating with hybrid efficiency, making it ideal for RV owners or small homes where space is limited. One of its biggest strengths is its compact design, allowing it to fit in tight areas without sacrificing functionality. It also delivers fast heating performance, ensuring you get hot water quickly even in smaller systems. Another advantage is its energy-saving operation, which helps reduce power usage compared to standard RV water heaters. However, because it's built for smaller systems, it may not be suitable for larger households with high water demand. Still, if you need a compact hybrid water heater for RV or small space use, this is a practical and efficient option. Taking the number 3 spot is the Senville Hybrid Heat Pump Water Heater, built for homeowners who want a balance between efficiency and performance. This unit uses advanced heat pump technology, helping reduce electricity consumption while still maintaining consistent hot water output. One of its standout features is its energy-efficient operation, which can significantly lower monthly utility bills compared to traditional systems. It's also designed with modern controls and reliable performance, making it suitable for everyday household use. Another advantage is its ability to handle medium to high water demand, making it a good fit for families. However, installation may require more space and proper ventilation due to the heat pump system. Still, if you want a high-performance hybrid water heater for residential use, the Senville is a strong mid-range choice. At number 2 is the ACIQ Electric Residential Hybrid Water Heater, a powerful and efficient option for modern homes. If you're looking to upgrade your home's hot water system while cutting down on energy bills, then this hybrid hot water heater is a smart investment that blends performance, efficiency, and modern technology into one powerful solution. The ACIQ hybrid water heater is available in different capacities, typically around 50 to 80 gallons, ensuring there's enough hot water for families of varying sizes. Even better, it's designed to perform efficiently in a wide range of temperatures, including colder climates, so you can rely on consistent hot water throughout the year without worrying about seasonal performance drops. Another major advantage is its energy efficiency. With a high uniform energy factor (UEF) rating, up to around 4.0 in larger models, this system can significantly reduce electricity consumption compared to standard electric heaters. That means lower monthly utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint, making it a great option for eco-conscious homeowners. Despite its powerful performance, the unit operates quietly, with noise levels comparable to a low hum, so it won't disrupt your daily life even if installed inside your home. It also includes built-in safety features like overheat protection and leak detection, adding an extra layer of reliability and peace of mind. Installation is relatively straightforward, and the system is designed for long-term durability with minimal maintenance required. Plus, some models offer smart controls, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings remotely for added convenience. Overall, the ACIQ Electric Residential Hybrid Hot Water Heater is more than just a water heater. It's a modern, energy-saving upgrade for your home. With its combination of heat pump efficiency, flexible operation modes, large capacity options, and quiet performance, it delivers reliable hot water while helping you save money in the long run. If you want a future-proof solution that balances comfort, efficiency, and smart technology, this product is definitely worth considering. Taking the #1 spot is the Rheem RTG-95DVELN-3, the best overall choice for performance and efficiency. Unlike traditional hybrid tank systems, this unit is a tankless water heater, meaning it heats water on demand instead of storing it. This results in endless hot water supply and reduced energy waste, making it highly efficient for large households. One of its biggest advantages is its high output capacity, allowing multiple fixtures to run simultaneously without losing performance. It's also built with durable construction and advanced technology, ensuring long-term reliability. Another key benefit is its space-saving design, making it ideal for homes where space is limited. However, installation can be more complex compared to standard hybrid systems. Still, if you want the most powerful and efficient water heating solution, the Rheem RTG-95DVELN-3 is the clear winner.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!